Live from Philadelphia, this is Good Day.
Well, President Barack Obama held his first press conference in nearly 5 months yesterday.
Yes, among the many things he discussed, a new proposal that will allow homeowners with mortgages insured by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, to refinance at a reduced rate. That is great news. This is especially good news for people who have those FHA mortgages. And there's another option we want to tell you about this morning. It's called Harp 2.0. If you need help with your mortgage, this may be the thing to help you out.
So Chanel asked me if I would explain it to all our viewers, and I immediately called mortgage expert Vince Ingwe because I don't have a clue. But it really perked up my ears when I heard the president say that. Explain what he was talking about.
Okay, we've got two separate programs here. So what the president was talking about specifically was FHA's initiative to bring down the refinance cost on FHA to FHA mortgage refinances. So what a lot of homeowners have seen is these interest rates are dropping. However, the mortgage insurance or the FHA premiums have been going up. So even though you're getting a better interest rate, if your mortgage insurance is higher, it's not helping you at all. So what they've decided to do is reduce the mortgage premium, which is very much welcomed, and reduce the monthly as well. So now you can actually experience and take advantage of those lower interest rates.
Get a break.
That's great.
Okay, so that's one, but obviously not everybody qualifies under that, under FHA loans.
Correct. So that's only if you currently have an FHA loan. The other side of it is Harp 2.0, which is geared more for conventional loans, so loans that were guaranteed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Now, you guys, I've been on before, we've spoken about Harp 1.0. The big difference here between 1.0 and 2.0 is that there's now no limitation as far as how underwater you can be on your mortgage.
Well, how do you know if you're eligible for Harp? Let's start there.
First thing is you can go onto Fannie Mae's website or Freddie Mac's website, and both of them have a lookup tool where you simply just punch in your home address, the last 4 numbers of your Social Security, and that will tell you whether or not you have a Fannie or Freddie Mac mortgage.
It's that simple?
It's that simple. If that's the case, it had to be originated before June of 2009.
And that's a majority of them.
Which is a lot of them, absolutely. And you cannot have used the Harp program before. So again, Harp 1.0 had limitations at 100 to 125% of the value of your home. So what that means is, let's say your home was worth $100,000. If you owed $125,000 or less, you qualify. Now, you could owe $200,000 on a property that may be worth $100,000 and still qualify for a refinance without any PMIs.
That's good news,
a big
because
deal.
a lot of people are in the position, obviously, where their homes, where they owe more than their homes are worth, right? Is that the situation?
All over the place here, and of course there's areas like Florida and California where people are way underwater.
That's huge. Refinance without paying down more the principal.
No cash to close in most cases. Maybe not even an appraisal needed because of, there's really no loan to value restrictions anymore, so why get an appraisal? And no PMI, that's huge. So if you
that
owe,
insurance.
so if you owe $200,000, your house is worth $100,000, you might be paying 5–6% with with or without PMI. New mortgage rates are close to 4%, no PMI on those loans, so it could be a huge savings for a lot of folks out there.
Is this happening because election year?
Yes, I mean, the economy's struggling. They're trying to roll out as much as they can, obviously, to help folks put cash back in people's pockets. I mean, these rates are low, but we've talked about this before. It's difficult for folks to get qualified for these low rates if it's not, your credit has a blemish on, if it's not, your job stability hasn't been there. And of course, it seems as though almost no one has equity anymore in their homes. So this is another measure in order to get people, bridge the gap there.
Vince Ingwe, are you easy to find in the phone book?
I'm easy to find in the phone book. If you go directly to the site or my website, which is laviersmortgage.com. Our phone's been ringing already on this news. We're happy to help out and guide people.
Because I know people are just saying, what did he just say? I think I qualify for this. I want to talk to you.
That's good stuff.
Absolutely.
You know your stuff.